We are all familiar with labels, grouping people and things into categories and making assumptions about them. However, labels can be limiting, making us feel that we are only one thing and unable to be anything else. Fortunately, there is a solution: pronouns. Using pronouns, we can refer to people in a way that acknowledges and embraces their diversity while allowing us to decide how to define ourselves. Exploring the power that pronouns can have in our everyday interactions, we can see that they are a fundamental part of language. Used intentionally, they can empower individuals and foster a sense of belonging and acceptance. On the other hand, when used incorrectly, they can have a damaging effect. By using the correct pronouns, we can make a positive difference in the lives of those around us, allowing for meaningful conversations and aiding in creating a more inclusive and respectful environment. Pronouns are a very useful form of communication, allowing us to refer to people without having to specify their names. There exist multiple types of pronouns, e.g., personal, possessive, or reflexive. It is important to understand and use each type correctly for efficient and accurate communication. Misuse of pronouns can have a significant effect. That is why it is important to understand their usage and implications, in order to ensure a safe and welcoming environment. Creating an inclusive environment is essential, and being aware of gender pronouns is a key part of this. Everyone has the right to decide what pronouns they would like to be referred to with, and making sure to ask which ones they prefer and consistently using them is a great way to show respect and understanding towards their gender identity. Examples of pronouns include he, him, his, she, her, hers, they, them, theirs, ze, here, hers, and ze, them, theirs. Respect and dignity should always be given to everyone, regardless of their gender identity. Moving beyond labels is essential when it comes to challenging the status quo. Pronouns provide a powerful way to create a workplace culture that values and honors everyone, regardless of gender identity. Businesses can take various actions to ensure a workplace that is inclusive, supportive, and welcoming to all. These steps may include providing training on pronoun usage, incorporating pronouns in email signatures and name tags, and introducing policies that are beneficial to transgender and non-binary employees. Let's come together and strive for an environment that is both inclusive and respectful. When it comes to language, the words we choose can have great influence on culture and society. Pronouns are a significant part of that. How we refer to people and their identity can shape our views on gender. By utilizing language that is inclusive and using the appropriate pronouns, we can create a more welcoming and accepting atmosphere. It is essential to be informed about any changes related to language that is inclusive. This means that we should use gender-neutral language when applicable. We should not make assumptions about someone's identity based on their appearance or their name, and we should be open to receiving feedback from others regarding our language use. Let us strive to make a world where everyone is visible and heard. Using the correct pronouns and being conscious of our language can help create an inclusive and respectful environment for all. Such an environment is essential for everyone to feel represented and accepted for who they are. By striving for this, we can move towards a society that embraces diversity and understanding. Thank you for taking the time to listen.